Today I want to share with you a really fun thing to do with ink. I call it inky landscapes. Ink is a brilliant medium to use no matter how experienced you are with art. Beginners can use it, professional artists can use it. It's extremely versatile and very user-friendly. And it's a great way to learn how to achieve value in your paintings. Value means a full range of tone from light to dark. You can paint with ink, you can draw with ink, and it dries really fast, so you don't need a lot of time. I'm Catherine Jennifer. I'm an artist, art educator, and mother of 4 boys. I teach in-person classes, I run an art club in my village, and I'm a top teacher on Skillshare. And I love helping people to discover and develop their own creativity. In this class, I'll show you a simple 3-step process to make your own inky landscapes. We will first do a warm-up where you practice how to achieve a full range of tone using ink. Then we will do a 1-minute painting where we unleash the inky beast, and then we will do a quick inky landscape in 3 simple steps. We will work small, postcard size, and you can use this technique to create mementos of your summer holidays or to make meaningful and personal holiday cards to send to loved ones. You can also use this technique as a productivity tool. It's a great way to start your day feeling good no matter what you have to do. All you need is a bottle of ink, a dip pen, and some watercolor paper. I did this with my art club and I'm excited to share it with you. It's easy, it's therapeutic, and it's so much fun. So grab your supplies and let's get inky.